I just received my POSSPO Jupiter CD DVD player. It's time to see if it's compatible with my 2024, my brand new 2024 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium. The manufacturer says that your sound system in your vehicle must be able to play WAV files, WAV WAV files. So here's my manual. You can see it's a 2024 4Runner Navigation and Multimedia System Owner's Manual. Says high resolution sound source. This device supports high resolution sound sources. Supported formats and playable media are as follows. Supported formats: WAV, FLAC, AUX, OGG, Forbes. So it looks like it supports the WAV files, and it also shows it over here as well. Shows compatible compressed files, compatible file format WAV. So that confirms that. So let's now see if it plays a CD that I have. Plug the USB into the USB port. As you can see, I've got the extension cord, and I'm going to insert the CD, and I'm going to select source. You will notice that the USB is not yet lit up. It will not light up until you actually put a CD in it. There it goes. Now it'll change from USB to say audio, and it has the USB little icon. You select that, and the CD player should start playing here. Little U2 here. I'll place this on top of my dash. Turn the volume up. Seems to be playing quite well. You can even change the sound. Now let's test the skipping, the skip tolerance. And I've got it on my seat, and I'm dropping it, and it's not skipping. Well, it seems to be skip proof. There it is. Compatible for all you 4Runners out there. This POSSPO Jupiter DVD player is awesome.
Hi, this is January 3rd, 2026. I received this POSSPO Jupiter portable CD player as a gift because my 2024 Lexus E350 does not have a built-in CD player, and I enjoy my CDs. So, following the instructions, this was pretty straightforward, simple. It's nice in size. It fits right here on the console. I take the USB plug, go to my USB port on the vehicle, plug it in. The CD, I'm going to play Chicago at Carnegie Hall. There we go. That takes it quite nicely. Go to the Multimedia Center, hit music, sources, USB device connected, and I have music. Sound is great. I'm easily able to connect this or control this from the steering wheel. Put the sound up. Fits anywhere. Even the glove compartment. That's terrific. Well, I'm going to enjoy this for a long time. Thank you.
WAV files, which it does. So I'm just going to go through a couple of steps so you can see how it works. I'm running it off of the USB system. You can see that it's plugged into the USB port. So I'm now going to go to my media. Oops, let's go back again. Media. And those are my choices on my screen. You can see it recognizes the USB system. So there it is. It says that there's no USB device connected. So I will put in a CD, which is Abbey Road, one of my favorites. And it will read it. It takes a couple of seconds for it to connect and to read what's on the track, but you'll see that it will, there it goes. So it's loading, and there we go. So we'll turn the volume up so you can hear that it's Abbey Road. Change the track. Okay, so it is playing Abbey Road fine. So you can see, I'll also just do one more brief illustration. So I'm going to go to the navigation system, and I'll pick a recent destination. We'll go to Berry Hill Farms in Berry, and you can see.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
The system, the CD is still playing while my navigation system is working as well. So hopefully that helps. Thanks, and sorry if this isn't technically perfect, but it's the best I can do. Thanks, bye.
I have a 2021 Toyota Tacoma truck that doesn't have a CD player, and I decided to purchase a POSSPO Jupiter CD DVD player, which basically I'm going to show you how it works. It fits in down here really nice in my truck, look like it belongs there, and I plugged it in with the plug that's on the back of the player. Plugged it into my USB port, and I'm basically going to show you how this works here. I'm going to go to home so you could see. I'm going to put in a CD right here and show you how this works. Okay, I'm going to go to audio, then I'm going to go to my source, and I'm going to go to USB, and then audio. And there we go, we have some music, and it works really good. The sound quality is great because it runs right through your stereo. Very happy with this unit, and the service that I received when I did my registration. Any questions that I would have had, they would have been happy to help me out with it as they described. I would recommend this unit to anyone that doesn't have a CD player in their vehicle that has a bunch of CDs. So I highly recommend this unit, and I hope this is helpful to people that need to know how to use it.
I'm going to be testing out CD player in my Tesla Model Y. So let's see. Simple as and you get that old CD whirling sound that I love so much. Alright, so now what we should see is USB here. In a second. You can see that it has found all of the tracks on here. And now, let's see. Alright, we got it working. How cool is that? So with this, we can listen to all of our audio CDs now. So this has got some great anti-skip tech in it, and it's working super well. Alright, now you may be wondering, does this work only in the Tesla? So I am here with our Buick Enclave to give it a test as well. Make sure it works there too. Which it should, because it should just mount as like a generic USB drive basically, which I know this car supports. But let's make sure and give it a shot. Alright, well we've got it hooked up. You can hear the CD spinning there. And I've got it plugged in right here, which is a great location for USB here. And I also really like that you can just plug in your iPhone here too and it'll mount CarPlay. But we're not going to do that right now. I've already talked a whole lot about how much I think Tesla is missing an opportunity by not having CarPlay and Android Auto. Alright, look at that. Just started playing by itself. Alright.
Call games and rain them out 2 days before they are, because that doesn't work out. Whatever the case, this early on in the season is a mess, and it's a mess for DFS.
thinking of things that maybe connections to the Rangers that would pick him off. That the Rangers really didn't treat Ron Washington all that well on the way out.
And then 817, Josh Hamilton is not the same type player as Corey Seager. Stop saying dumb bleak, David. I mean, Josh Hamilton had a season significantly better than Corey Seager's past. I think at the...
Behind the scenes on their socials. I follow them on all the platforms at KSFK Hawaii.
Here is the CD player that I stashed in my glove compartment, and I just take the end that came with this adapter, plug it into the USB, and turn on the audio, go to my sources, change it to the USB, and there's my CD playing. It started right up where I left it off. I can change the track. I can put it on shuffle or repeat. I can pause it. Everything works right from the screen.
installation of this device is super easy. I have it sitting here, which is a good spot for my car, and we'll see it come up here in just a minute. I have purchased an on and off switch for my USB port down here to keep it, because it's powered through right down here. So, as you see, we hit the on here. That was about $2 on Amazon. And just give it less than a minute, and you'll see it'll show up right here. See there? And just that fast, it comes on. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do.
So everybody's pulling you in all directions. You don't know how much longer to take it. So you learn how to fake it. That smile on the outside's fading fast, like the things that you thought for sure would last, but they didn't. You know something's missing. Is it your life you're not living?
This is a video of the POSSPO Jupiter. Comes with a decoder to make it work with the newer Chevrolet. It's a 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Does not have a CD player. So this way I can play my audiobooks and CDs, and it plugs into the auxiliary port and the USB port in my jockey box. And you have to turn on the auxiliary on the radio to make it play. Works very good.
Here's the video player playing in the car, and I can adjust it up here, switch tracks right on the radio. Sound is incredible. Hooked right into the truck right here. Everything worked great.
Sì, lo so che non c'è l'uccello, la stanza quando manca il sole.